Thinking about selling your home but worried you won't be able to find a replacement property and you'll be homeless? Well, that's a very understandable concern. It's your home and you've got a family, right? Well, I've got news for you. There are so many solutions for selling your home and finding a replacement home, even with the limited inventory here in Littleton, Colorado, 80127, 80125, and Highlands Ranch, 80126. Hello everyone, my name is Travis Poland. I am with Berkshire Hathaway and a part of the Acre Group. At the end of this video, if you would like some more info or a free home evaluation, visit my website below, fill out a couple simple questions, and don't worry, I won't spam you, and I will personally hand deliver you your home evaluation. We've helped hundreds of sellers just like you over the past 10 years negotiate this and so many other obstacles and issues. In fact, in the last 30 days alone, we've helped 6 sellers navigate through this. The good news is that there are contingencies on your behalf that we can put into place to protect you from this. We can sell your home to a buyer contingent upon finding a home of your choice within a certain time. So this way, we can secure a buyer and you don't have to sell your home if you don't find the home of your dreams. This is great because there is so much less stress this way. You won't feel like you've got to just choose a home that you don't absolutely love. And the offer you make on your replacement home will look even stronger because you've already gone under contract. My point is, we've got solutions. We've just got to think outside of the box. We wouldn't want you to do anything we ourselves wouldn't do. And thankfully, we've got years and years of experience, so we know what to do and what not to do. We want selling to be fun, and we want you to enjoy the buying process without the worry. There are many other things to consider, questions to ask, so that we cover all of the bases in protecting you and your most valuable asset. So give us a call, even if you're just curious and want to strategize some scenarios. We're more than happy to help. I look forward to hearing from you, and just remember, thoughts become things, so make sure that they're good ones. I will see you on the next one.